Well, first of all, Rob, I got to say thank you to the Holiday Inn Express. I said you can't. This is such a great kickoff for us to get things started, and thank you for being such a community member.
You're more than welcome.
All right, can you tell the community why you're doing this?
Sure, actually, it was initiated by you. We had a nice donation from another person who came forth and gave a great donation to Save. And then Patty Paris sent it off to our team. And our owner got a hold of it and said, I think we need to be part of this wonderful event. So we said, sure, let's contribute to that. So we decided, what can we contribute and what can we do? So the ownership group came out and said, let's give them $10,000 as a major kickoff because it's such a great asset to our community and people enjoy it from all over and we'll benefit. Obviously, local people can benefit, but we can also have our tourists that come to town benefit from it also.
Oh, absolutely. And I said, it's a great thing because it is going to enhance the I-500 during winter months. It will enhance it. They said they're going to have a nice roadway and they're going to be able to have that building that they can use instead of renting a tent. I said,
Correct.
and new fencing,
Correct.
electricity that goes down to the pits. We're going to have all those great things happening, but the great thing about it is we can use it at other times too.
Year round.
Year around, and when you're coming into our city, you're going to see something happening. More people are going to want to come. This is a community thing that we're doing, and it's for the community. We need the community to join us. Join us, and join the Holiday Inn Express. We need to make it happen. And remember, when you gave $10,000, that's $20,000 because it's matched. So, but from patronicity, and this is our last $100,000 that we need to raise.
All on our way.
We're on our way. Way to go.
Yeah.
So
Excellent.
please join us.
Help us out.